Do you got 5 minutes and a wedge brush? That's all you need to paint this beautiful floral wreath. Let's grab our brushes and start painting. Before we start, let's quickly go over how I load my wedge brush. This is the key to getting those beautiful gradient petals. First, I dip the entire flat side of the brush into my base color. Then, I lightly touch just the tip of the brush into the darker shade to add depth and dimension. After that, I do a quick swipe to slightly blend, just enough so the colors flow smoothly when you paint. Let's start by making the wreath shape. Instead of freehanding, I'm just tracing a tape roll, but you can also use a paper plate, a bowl, or anything round. Once you're done tracing, mark small dots where you want your main flowers to go. This helps keep your wreath balanced and evenly spaced. Let's start with the biggest blooms. I'm painting both hibiscus-style flowers with the flat side of the wedge brush. You may vary the direction of the petals slightly to make each bloom feel unique. Now, for the fillers, I'm doing small lavender style strokes and tiny daisy birds. These smaller flowers help fill the gaps and give a wreath more detail without overwhelming it. So just take note to keep the fillers loose because too much symmetry can make it feel stiff. Time to connect everything with some greenery. So use the edge of your brush to add quick leaf strokes in between the flowers. One tip is to use different shades of green to add depth, but don't worry if they overlap. That makes it feel more organic. You may step back and see if there are any empty spots. I'm just adding a few final buds and leaves to balance it all out. And just like that, you've got a floral wreath in under 5 minutes. If you love this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Happy painting!